nur üben. No? Turn right, we practice it because you move the steering a little bit too early and then you connect the border. So 30. 30 is the limit. No, you can see that.
Yeah.
And now the next lamp, we turn right. The sequence has to be perfect. Look inside mirror, outside mirror, indicator, side look, double check, and turn. Yes. Cool. Good. That was nice. So now we make it again. This lamp, we want to turn right. An der roten Ampel rechts abbiegen, beziehungsweise an der grünen, ne?
Ja.
Nicht an der roten. Wichtig. Also here, the pedestrians and the cycles, look, no?
Yeah.
Look inside mirror, outside mirror, side look, and turn. So now remember, these are blocked. Let's go fluently. That's not okay, no? The sequence was not perfect. Yeah? Practice. Yeah, I think it's not easy, no? Yeah, this is better. From the speed is now better, no?
Yeah.
It's not necessary to drive 50,
Yeah.
but you can drive 40, 42, 43, that's okay, yeah? Because it's a narrow road, we have a lot of traffic, yeah? And on this lamp, we turn right. Remember, we have a parking car in front of. Not too early, that's too close. Think about the door can go open, no?
Yeah.
From this car. Oh no, it's better, no? But now we have red.
Yeah, this time it is right.
Now we turn right, please.
Yeah.
Turn right. Not move to left. That's a mistake.
Right?
We turn right. Pay attention, pedestrians are coming. The pedestrians have a preference, no?